Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you having trouble connecting your Brother HL L2360W to Wi Fi? I understand that since navigating the small display is confusing. But today, I'll show you a simple way to get your printer connected with the setup wizard method. So, follow my instructions to do your printer Wi Fi setup. First, head over to your printer's control panel. Then, press the OK button. Use the scroll down button to find the network, then open it. Now, scroll to the WLAN option and select it. After selecting WLAN, scroll until you see the Setup Wizard option, then open it. Wait for a few minutes until the display says Select SSID and Set. Once you see the Select SSID displayed on the screen, scroll the list of networks and select your Wi-Fi router. The printer will now ask you to enter the network key, so use the up and down arrow to enter your Wi-Fi password. Once your password is in, press and hold OK button to apply the settings. When the screen says yes or no, go ahead and release the OK button. Now, press the up arrow to select yes, and the printer will start connecting to the WLAN. After the Wi-Fi setup is complete, the display will show connected.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.